Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Chipmunk Beauty. And if you would like to see how I got these nails, stay tuned and keep watching. But before I start the video, please make sure you're subscribed. Make sure your notifications turned on so you know what I will post, because I got a lot of good videos coming for you guys soon. So I'm done rapping. Enjoy the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove all of this old nail polish. First, let me go over the things you're gonna need. Of course, some nail polish remover, a bowl of lukewarm water. I have an orange stick, a pair of scissors. I love these scissors, they're so cool, watch. Ooh, yeah. Scissors, some nail glue, some base and top coat, just like cuticle softener. I need some Q-tips. I have a nail drill. These are the different little things, and this is the nail drill. Or if you don't have a nail drill, you can always use a nail filer. And you're also going to need the nails. So I have these nails. I found these on Amazon. You can get them on Amazon. They come in coffin, square, and the almond shape. That's the natural color, and this is the clear. I'll be using both of these today, and I'll be using a white polish, gel polish, this in the silver color, and I'm also going to be using these nail filers. Okay, let's begin. So the first thing I'm going to do is get this old nail polish off. I don't know why I only have them on 3 fingers, but I'm going to take a Q-tip, or you can use cotton balls, and I'm going to take a bit of this nail polish remover. I'm just going to dip. Got a little bit on there, and I'm just going to okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is grab a nail clipper. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm going to take my warm water, and I'm just gonna soak my hands in the water to soften up my cuticles. And I'm just gonna leave this in for about a minute, 30 seconds tops. Okay, so now that I've finished with that, I'm going to take this cuticle something, I don't know what it is actually, but I know it's for the cuticles. So I'm going to apply this along the cuticle and grab my orange stick, and I'm just going to push the cuticles back a little bit. This is going to help so there's no lifting when I apply the nails, so I can get a maximum use out of them. So I'm just pushing them back a little bit, just like that. Okay, now I'm going to do the rest. The next thing I'm going to do is grab my drill or my nail filer, whichever one you have on hand. I'm going to be using the drill today, and I'm just going to go over my whole hand, and pretty much this is to get all the oil off so the glue will adhere to the nails better. So I'm just going to go around and go over all the nails. Okay, so I grabbed the natural nail and the clear nails, and I have just measured them for all of the first hand. I want a clear one. This is the clear one on my pointer, and I kind of measured them to fit a little snug because I like the slimmer fit of the nail. I don't really like them looking too bulky. So yeah, that's what I did. And now we can go ahead and get started. I'm going to start by grabbing the nail glue, and let me move this to the side so I can have better view. So I'm going to get the nail glue and place a little dot in the center, rub it around a little bit, and then I'm just going to take the nail and push into the cuticle and hold it and push down just a little bit. And I'm gonna start applying more pressure, and I'm just pushing towards the cuticle, and I'm gonna hold this for about 15 seconds. So this is the whole hand. Next clip. So you see this air bubble, you don't really have to worry about that because everything is secure down. There's just a bit of air inside. So the next thing I'm going to do is close my nail glue so it doesn't dry up. I'm going to take it off. See how it has these little tips on it? I'm just going to file those off. And I had these scissors in case I wanted to, you know, shorten the nails or anything, or if you wanted to, you know, slim them down a bit. I actually think I'm just gonna slim the thumb down just a bit. I'm just gonna dust all that away. And now we're ready for our color. Ooh. Leave a thumbs up if you like how they're looking so far. And yeah, so these pretty much last me around 2 weeks, just like a regular set would. And they are a little flimsy, I will say that, so you kind of have to be careful. But for $10, because that's how much I paid for them, you're really getting a nice little deal with this. I will be linking everything in the description box below, so don't worry, everything will be linked. Where I got the nails, where I got all the other supplies, the drill, everything will be linked in the description box below. So the next thing I'm going to do is grab my color. So I'm using white for all the natural nails, and I'll be using the silver on the clear nail. So I'm just going to start by applying nothing thick or anything, just a simple white coat. And this nail polish is pretty thick, so you kind of have to be careful. And then I'm gonna come back and apply the second layer once everything else is dried. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to do is use this, what is this? Rapid Dry Top Coat, because I'm very impatient. So yeah, I'm just gonna do maybe 2 coats of this on the whole hand. Okay, now I'm just going to finish the other hand off camera and come back with the finished result. See you then. These are how the nails are looking. Ooh, I'm all done. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And you guys see this, it's just a bit of glue and nail polish over it. I just got to take my time and really get that off. But I really love how they came out, the end result. I love it. If you love it, give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. You can also stalk me on social media. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. I'll link everything below. I will link everything that I've used below. If I can find it, I'm linking it for y'all, okay? And this look was about $10 for the nails, so in total $20, and it's easier. And this method will last you a good 2 weeks, really easy. You just can't be entirely too rough with them. But yeah, I really like them. I like the way they came out. And this is the second nail video I've made, so if you want to check out the first one, I'll link that one too. But thank you guys, bye.